Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Stuck choosing between the Sony FE 24-70mm F/2.8 GM II and the Nikon Nikkor ZDX 16-50mm? It seems simple, but one's a pro-grade standard zoom and the other's a super compact lens for smaller cameras. Let's break it down. The Sony, at around $1,830 renewed, just feels premium. That G Master build quality is undeniable. It weighs 1.5 pounds.
It does scream quality, but is that extra weight worth it? The Nikon is only a pound and much smaller at 2.76x, 1.26 inches. Big difference for travel, right?
Whoa, the Nikon, tiny. It almost disappears on a Z Series 510 camera. Perfect for vloggers and travel photographers. It's about $199 renewed.
Definitely, but that compact size comes with a variable aperture of f/3.5 to 6.3. How much are we really losing compared to the Sony's constant f/2.8? 2 stops at the long end.
Okay, let's dive in. The Sony's constant f/2.8 aperture means consistent exposure and beautiful bokeh, even when zoomed in. Imagine those portraits with smoothly blurred backgrounds.
True, but the Nikon has vibration reduction, rated for up to 4.5 stops of stabilization. So while the Sony lets in more light naturally, the Nikon compensates with shake reduction. Sharper handheld shots, maybe?
Good point. And the Nikon's wider 16mm focal length, equivalent to 24mm on a full frame, is a game changer for landscapes and tight interiors. Think about capturing expansive scenes.
But here's the key difference. The Sony is a full-frame lens designed for cameras like the Sony Alpha series, offering incredible sharpness and detail. The Nikon is designed for Nikon's DX crop sensor Z series cameras.
Exactly. The Sony is an investment. You can upgrade to a full-frame body later and keep using this amazing lens. Plus, its XD linear motors give you super fast and quiet autofocus, perfect for video.
But if you're committed to Nikon's Z series crop sensor system, the Nikon gives you a fantastic wide-angle option in a super portable package. And the assignable control ring is a nice touch.
So if you crave top-tier image quality, plan to upgrade to full frame someday, and need that constant f/2.8 aperture, the Sony is the clear winner. It's a G Master lens for a reason.
But if you prioritize portability, a wider field of view, and are happy with crop sensor cameras, the Nikon is a fantastic, budget-friendly choice. Both are great lenses. It all comes down to your needs and your camera system. Don't just buy a lens, build your vision.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.